Hi everyone, I'm Laurie with Journey with the Gingers, and for this video I'm going to give you a room tour of cabin 11252 on the Norwegian Joy. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, we invite you to do so. We'd love to have you join our community. If you don't mind, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. We're going to begin our room tour by just showing you the front door of the room. And on the door you have your muster station information, anything you need for emergency instructions. And also beside the door you have the switch. When you are ready for your room to be made up by the room steward, you click this switch on. And also, if you do not want to be disturbed, you also click that switch. And there are lights outside the room that will notify your room attendant to please make up your room, and also let them know when you do not want to be disturbed. To keep your lights on in your room, you do have to insert your room key into this little slot. And right beside the bathroom, you have your thermostat to make the room warmer or cooler. And you also have a full mirror. Now, let's go into the bathroom. On the door of your bathroom, on the inside, you have two hooks for robes or whatever else you need to hang. And as you step up, to the right is your shower. And it's a very nice size glass shower. And in the shower, you have shampoo, and you also have body wash. The shower does have a removable wand. And also in the shower you have a spot for a clothesline, a retractable clothesline. And of course you have your toilet, and down below you have some good storage. You also have two shelves above the counter. At your sink you have some glasses, and you also have liquid hand wash. Under the sink, there's more storage, and you also have a wastebasket on the door. Now let's look at the rest of the cabin. This room setup is for 2 twin beds. Beside this side of the bed is a little bit larger end table with shelves. And this is the end table on the other side. The lights beside the beds have this full light. They have 2 light switches, and they also have a light switch for a reading light. And on each side of the bed in the light there is a USB plug. And depending on your stateroom, some staterooms have the couch beside the closet, and in this case the closet is beside the bed, which may make it a little bit more difficult to get your items out, but we're okay with it. The right side of the closet has shelves, and there's also a shelf at the top. It goes all the way across. Also on the shelf in the closet is a safe. It's the type of safe that you enter your own code. It's not large enough for a laptop, but it would fit a tablet, any other smaller items. And on the left side of the closet is where you would hang your clothes. And there's a television in the room. The television will swivel, so if you're sitting on the couch or if you're on the bed, you can see it from both locations. And below is a little storage area for your books or paperwork or whatever you want to put it there. And this is also where you'll find the remote control. And below the television are 2 cabinets with shelves in it for more storage. Below the vanity area, there is a refrigerator. And they do have some stocked items in there for you to purchase, and we'll just ask the room steward to remove them so you can store like a bottled water and such. Also at the vanity area there is a large mirror. And this is the outlet situation. And we bring a converter for the European outlet to give us more outlets. Also below the vanity is a stool, and it has a lid type thing on top. That's in case you want to have like a little table to eat your morning breakfast or whatever you want to use it for. The top can be removed, so you'll have a seat at the vanity. This trash can, and there is a blow dryer. The room has a very large couch. I would say this couch is about 6 feet long. And another thing I really like about the couch are these deep drawers there below. So now we're going to step out to the balcony. For the balcony, there are 2 chairs and a little table. And currently we have this view, a parking garage. We also have a beautiful view of New York City. And also this balcony is covered. We'll make one final walkthrough of room 11252. And that's the end of the room tour of cabin number 11252 on the Norwegian Joy. As I said before, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And please also, if you haven't joined our community, we'd love for you to subscribe to our channel. If you like more videos from the Norwegian Joy, please continue to watch because we have a lot more coming out soon. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to journey on. Bye. If you like this video, check out the video to the left where we show you a tour of our favorite hotel in New York City.